In this video, we'll discuss what MTD involves for landlords. Now, as you know, last year HMRC announced that any sole trader or a person who's got rental income, if their combined gross income is more than £50,000, they will need to file quarterly returns. That means if you're a sole trader with 30,000 sales and 20,000 rental income, you have crossed the threshold of £50,000. Or if you're a sole trader having your sales more than 50,000, you've still crossed the threshold. And if you're a landlord who is receiving rental income more than £50,000, you still fall under MTD law. Having said so, for next year, this threshold has been reduced from 50 to 30,000 pounds combined income, and the following year it will go to 20,000 pounds combined income. Now let's look at what does that involve for landlord. Currently, what most landlords do is they compile their data, they file their tax returns month, 2 months or 3 months after the financial year end, that is between 6th of April to 5th of April every year. And they will file their tax return in June, July, and August. But with MTD, if you fall under MTD laws, you will have to file your returns quarterly plus a final end of the year return. Now, with quarterly returns, you will have to file your incomes from rental properties, number of properties, what were your expenses, including insurance and repairs, certifications, interest paid. Everything will be recorded on quarterly basis, and you'll have to update everything on the MTD compliant software, and the information will be submitted to HMRC on quarterly basis, and the information that you provide on quarterly basis will be compiled together to prepare your end of the year accounts. Now, it's just not an administrative burden. It's not another bookkeeping job. It's a way for you to plan. It can help you plan your income and expenses. Should you be spending this money now rather than waiting 6 more months? If your income is high, how can you manage it? You can actually set aside money knowing that your tax bill will be on that much of income. You can put money aside. So it is a tool that may help you plan and manage your taxes effectively. Now, anyone and everyone who is under MTD will need to file quarterly returns. You must have your digital records. You must file it with HMRC on time. Non-compliance is not an option. Thinking that HMRC may not find out is not an option. So make sure your software is MTD compliant. Make sure you've got all the data. You're not missing any invoices. You're not missing any incomes, because any differential can affect, increase or decrease your taxes. So use this opportunity to manage and plan your taxes effectively. Thank you.